Okay, your job for this assignment is to look at two different students' work and see if you agree or disagree with their work. You're going to be able to critique the reasoning of other people doing work and also construct viable arguments then to be able to support why you think they did it correctly or incorrectly. So we're going to start with our first student, and our problem that they're both going to work out is 3x plus 2y equals 10. And so we have Peter as our first student. Make sure you identify which student you're speaking about when you also solve. So for Peter, he takes 3x plus 2y equals 10. And his first thing is going to be to subtract 3x from both sides. And so then he gets that 2y equals negative 3x plus 10. He will divide everything individually by 2. And ends up with y equals negative 3 halves x plus 5. Okay, and then you also have Sarah in the class, and we're going to see how she works out the problem and see which one you agree with, or maybe neither of them are right. So then we have Sarah. So she's going to start with the same problem, 3x plus 2y equals 10. And Sarah starts out by adding 3x to both sides. So she gets 2y equals 3x plus 10. And then she divides everything by 2. And she gets y equals 3 halves x plus 8. And so your job is to compare both of their answers. Again, see if you agree or disagree. In your discussion post, make sure you're explaining exactly which student you're speaking about when you're giving your answer. After you have posted, you'll wait until your group members also post, and then you'll need to respond back to 2 of them to then say if you agree or disagree with their answers, and make sure that you're critiquing their reasoning and making sure you're helping them out if maybe they don't have the right answer, or if you agree with their answer, making sure you make a strong argument for why you also agree with their answer. So make sure you get your first discussion posted on this, and then also make sure that you follow up with classmates as well.